Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just helping you to set up for this next week's memory verse. We are in week 2 of memorizing 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4 to 7. And to this week it is verse 5. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. So obviously the it is love. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this behind our daily verse. We're going to concentrate that on a daily basis. We're going to take our old daily verse, we're going to put it behind even, so we can practice that on the even days of the week, the second, fourth, and so forth. Your old even verse, you're going to put into your odd section, so you can do practicing that on the third, fifth, and so forth. Your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. You can put anyone or behind anyone. I'm going to put behind Saturday, because I think we did it last time behind Friday. So I'm going to put it there, and then my old Saturday verse I'm going to put into my monthly section. And I think we've done it last time. I think we done it behind the 5th last time, so I'm going to put it behind the 6th. So at the 6th I'm going to memorize or go over those verses, and then tomorrow morning I will get my book out and I will get my practice sheets on. This is how I did it last week, and then tomorrow I'm going to start practicing there. So I hope that's helpful, and yeah, may God bless you in this week and may it be fruitful to you.